Good morning everyone, this is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 13th of June. Further stabilization on Korean peninsula ahead. The Kim-Trump meeting was completed yesterday, with both parties signing a joint document. According to media, the joint document included security guarantees for North Korea from the US president, and the US may stop joint military exercises with South Korea. On the other hand, North Korea pledged unwavering commitment to the denuclearization of the Korean peninsula, among other points. Sanctions against North Korea are to remain in place, and the denuclearization process is to start very quickly, as per President Trump. Should there be further positive headlines about the issue, we could see the USD strengthening, while safe havens could weaken. USD yen rose yesterday, breaking the 110.45 resistance line, now turned to support. We see the case for the pair to continue to have bullish tendencies, as the FOMC interest rate decision could support the USD side. Technically, the upward trend line, which started to form since the 11th of June, could strengthen the argument for a further upside movement of the pair. Should the bulls continue to be in charge, we could see the pair breaking the 111 resistance line and aim for the 111.6 resistance hurdle. Should the bears take over, we could see the pair breaking the 110.45 support line. All eyes on the FOMC. The FOMC is going to announce its interest rate decision today at 1800 hours GMT time, and is widely expected to hike rates by 25 basis points, reaching plus 2%. Fed funds futures currently imply a probability for the FOMC to hike rates by 87%. Hence, market focus could shift to the accompanying statement and the dot plot for further clues about future rate hikes. We see the case for the bank to have a neutral to hawkish accompanying statement, as the US economy had favorable financial releases recently. Also, should the Fed's forecasts alter based on the recent acceleration of the inflation rate and the favorable employment report, we could see the dot plot implying a 4 rate hike path in 2018. Overall, the greenback could strengthen from the interest rate decision and the following press conference. Euro-USD moved in a sideways motion yesterday between the 1.1820 resistance line and the 1.1715 support line. Technically, the pair seems to be moving in a sideways manner for the past few days. The pair could drive south today, as the FOMC meeting could support the USD side. Should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 1.1715 support line and aim for the 1.1640 support barrier. Should it find fresh buying orders along its path, we could see it breaking the 1.1820 resistance line. In today's other economic highlights, in the European session, we get UK's inflation data for May and UK's PPI growth rate for May. Also in the European session, we get Eurozone's industrial production growth rate for April. In the American session, we get the US PPI growth rate for May and the EIA weekly crude oil inventories figure. The star of the day, however, remains the FOMC interest rate decision and the following press conference. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Iosif from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.